Fettuccine with Alfredo sauce. Ingredients: 4 ounces uncooked fettuccine, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 garlic clove, minced, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, divided, 1/4 cup grated Romano cheese, 1/8 teaspoon salt, ground black pepper, ground nutmeg, minced fresh parsley, optional. Cook the fettuccine in seasoned pasta water according to the directions for al dente. When it's finished, drain but don't rinse it. You don't want to remove the starch that coats the outside of the noodles, which helps the sauce stick to the pasta. If the pasta finishes before the sauce, you can toss it with a little bit of olive oil or butter to keep the noodles from sticking together. In a large saute pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook until it's fragrant, about 1 minute. Then, slowly add the heavy cream, whisking constantly as you pour until all the cream is incorporated. Bring the mixture up to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, until it begins to thicken. Remove the pan from the heat. Add a handful of the Parmesan and Romano cheese at a time, whisking to incorporate the first handful before adding the next. When all the cheese is added, return the pan to the stovetop. Simmer the sauce gently over low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, until it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Season the sauce with salt, black pepper and nutmeg. Add the drained fettuccine to the pan and toss it with the sauce. Portion the pasta into individual bowls and top them with the remaining Parmesan cheese and parsley, if using.